3 into 6 is equal to 18. 3 into 6 is equal to 18. See here, 3 into 6 is equal to 18. What is the concept? 3 comes for 6 times. So 3 comes for 6 times, the answer will be the 18. Or if 6 into 3 is equal to 18, what they are telling? The 6 comes for 3 times, the answer will be the 18. Okay, that every multiplication is addition. Okay. So next, 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Yes, we have read that is a 5 into 6 is equal to 30. The same thing. 6 into 5 is equal to 6 into 5 is 30. Next, 7 into 6 is equal to 42. 8 into 6 is equal to 48. 9 into 6 is equal to 54. 10 into 6 is equal to 16. 11 into 6 is equal to 66. 12 into 6 is equal to 72.